Okay, animation today. We're totally gonna fangirl fish, and this is the fisherman right here.
Hello. Yes.
I am. I'm everywhere.
Kiss.
Okay, this is the last time.
Who kiss? Kiss who?
You have to give
What?
it to us.
Okay, I will. This is the 4th time we've gone fangirl fishing. Fangirls love it. Yowie, it's like crack to them.
Yowie.
Yeah, look at
Okay,
that.
here-
There's a little look at our bait right there. A little
yes.
Roxas on Riku action. Or rather, Sora.
No, we need a fish. We need a fish. Okay, here we go. And the
No!
rule.
I want Yowie.
Then go down and try to jump.
No!
Come on.
We need that for fishing.
We got a fish. Come on.
We need it. Give it back.
Is this going on YouTube?
Yes.
What's the channel?
I don't know. Graveyard Pinjas.
What?
Graveyard Pinjas. Give it back. What?
Where'd you find that picture?
What
Star
picture?
just gave it to me for free to do this.
Okay.
She's upstairs in the art dealer's room. She has a whole bunch of them.
Come on.
Give it back.
Come on. Give us plushy Roxy then.
Come on, this is going on YouTube. Do we? What is it? Hot guy on guy action.
There we go, we got secondary bait.
Alright, not as cool, but still good. I
Yeah.
saw that dangling in front of the elevator when I was on it.
Yeah. Not as good bait, but it's still good.
It'll
Bait.
They'll still
Here
go
we
for
go,
it.
we got secondary yowie. Here we go. Hot guy and guy action right there. Oh.
Oh! Why are you so good? Maybe they're the one that sent the game. Oh!
It's them X and Leon's baby.
What the?
It's them X and Leon's baby. We don't know how we got there.
That doesn't make so much sense. Alright.
Come here. I'll show you. Brother.
Hot guy and guy action.
Where?
Joy.
Where is your...
There's so many Roxases that could form together.
Yeah, Graveyard Pinjas.
No underscores or anything?
What?
No underscores or anything?
No, just Graveyard Pinjas.
Okay.
I love my shirt.
Hi. Hello YouTube.
Dark Mousy here.
Black Dark. He's truly dark mousy. I like that.
I had to do it. Play on words. Always works.
The fangirl fishing is over. They stole our yowie and won't give it back.
I could tell.
Sad face.